Here we are again, Dad and Ali Cooks. Hi and welcome once. We will put it in water and then we will cover it and we will simmer. and of course cooked in coconut milk.
Please like this video. If you have comments or reactions or suggestions, kindly comment down below. If you want more yummy and exciting videos, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our upcoming videos.
Sa lahat po ng nag-subscribe sa Dad&ally Cooks, thank you very much for trusting us. And to those who are watching right now, see you on our next video. Stay safe and God bless. Bye!